it's time to put the fenders on, and I got some help from my daughter, who is my producer of these videos and does a lot of the work editing and getting those published to YouTube and to Facebook. So I give her a big shout out for helping me. And she did do the stenciling on the radiator, and now she's here to help me install the fenders for the final time. And so we can have some guidance and try not to get them marred up and scraped while we're installing them the final time with the new paint on them. So we'll start in on the right side here, and we're gonna start in on putting the bolts in along this rear angle iron and getting these bolts in along the wooden platform and the bolt up there on the main fender bracket. So we'll go get the fender and start in. Okay, you hold on to the back side there.
Right here?
Yeah. Okay. And guide it in. Okay. There. So on this bottom edge, there's a reinforcement strip that goes on the back side. Got it? Excellent.
Oh, do you want me to try this?
Yeah, tighten it up a little bit. I might have to take that one back out. Turn it on. Got the wrong nut on the wrong bolt. Figure that one out later. Now we'll put these bolts in on the wooden platform. Okay, that doesn't seem to want to line up. Even though you fit them on, it seems like they're always testing you. It just takes a little work to get them to fit. They turned out pretty good, didn't they? But definitely, you're more particular when you fit them on and get all the holes drilled just as perfect as you can, the better they'll fit at this point, when you don't want to fight them on too bad and scratch up the paint. The final piece on this side. Now these ones in the center are very tricky. It takes somebody with very long arms or two people. Okay, got that one. Now it's the final hole lining up. We'll have to drill that hole. Forgot to drill it. Okay.
It's hard.
What? Hard to hold it?
Yeah, I got it though, I think.
Okay.
Do I do the other one, or is that it?
That's it. Just a couple up here on front. And that's about it. Guess I could snug these up a bit. Well, that finishes that up pretty nice. The end is near. Okay, are we ready to tackle the left-hand one?
You want me to just go ahead and stick this?
Yeah, stick a bolt in there. What?
No, go ahead. I gotta show you something when you're done with that.
Is it very close?
It's very close.
I knew it was very close. Here, I'll pull it over and you pull it out. Pull out the rag. It's going to be right up against it, isn't it? Tight fit. Okay. Now to get these bolts in on the platform. It's a little tight, but we didn't scrape it. Too bad getting in there, but it's tight. To get clearance here between my PTO lever, I'm going to have to washer that up a little bit to get it above the lever, so it won't drag on there too terribly bad. What about those holes there? Are they lining up at all? Not too bad.
Not too bad. Not dead yet.
Okay.
Did that work?
Yep. That one's
Here, give it to me.
very easy to get to. Can you get it all on it?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Here, give it to me.
There's 3 pieces to it. Can you screw it in from the top? There you go.
Toughy, isn't it?
They are tough. I think I can, let's see, turn. Okay, got that one. Now hold.
Nice. Do this one next to it.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
I've tried to get those in there by myself. It sure helps to have a helper to get those on. Those bolts in there are difficult by yourself. So I appreciate my daughter's help. And now I'll pass it off onto her and she'll edit these videos and get them sent out. And I hope you guys enjoy them. And we'll see you down the road.